In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to a blog post on Blogger. Whether you want to insert a widget, format some text, or incorporate a custom snippet. This guide will take you through the process step by step. We'll make sure your HTML inserts seamlessly into your blog content. First, you need to open your post editor. Head over to your Blogger dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Posts. This is where you'll find all your existing content. If you're starting fresh, simply click on Create a new post. Alternatively, if you want to add HTML to an existing article, click Edit on the post you wish to modify. This will open the post editor where the magic will happen. Now, to successfully insert HTML, you'll need to switch over to the HTML view of your post editor. You'll notice tabs in the editor, and you'll want to click on the one labeled HTML. This action toggles from the default compose mode to a view that lets you directly interact with the underlying code of your post. At this point, you're ready to paste your HTML code. Whether it's a widget, custom layout, or some structured content you've crafted elsewhere, you'll want to insert it exactly where you want your customization to appear within the post. Be precise with this placement. Consider where your HTML code fits best to complement your existing content. Once your HTML code is in place, it's a good idea to switch back to the compose or preview modes. This step allows you to see your additions in the context of your complete post, rather than as isolated lines of code. Simply click back on the Compose tab or use the Preview option to ensure your new HTML looks and functions as you intended it to. This checking stage is crucial for catching errors and confirming that your new code integrates smoothly with your post's design and other content elements. And that's it. You've just successfully added HTML code to your Blogger post. Now, you're ready to publish or schedule your post, confident that it looks exactly how you envisioned it. Remember, HTML can powerfully enhance your blog, adding interactivity and structure, but it's important to use it thoughtfully to enrich your reader's experience. Thank you for following along. Be sure to experiment and see all the creative ways you can enhance your blog layout using custom HTML snippets. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you get the most out of your Blogger account.